vinegar in. So let's see what happens when I pour my vinegar in with my baking soda. How cool is that? That's pretty cool, isn't it? This is something you might be able to try at home if you have your baking soda and vinegar. Might be a good idea to do it outside. All right, the next one I'm going to do is going to be a little bit of a lava lamp. So I've got another plastic cup with only a little bit of water in there. You only need a little bit of water. And I'm going to use some vegetable oil. So I'm going to pour that on top. You can use quite a bit of vegetable oil for this one. And we'll sit and you'll be able to see that the water and the oil will separate. So we'll just give that a second to settle down. You'll be able to see the water down the bottom and the oil up the top. And I'm going to add some food colouring in with this one. I'm going to do blue this time. And I'll pop that in here. And we'll just let that sit. Make sure it's all separated. Got the water, the food colouring and the oil. All right, now I've got some tablets here as well, some of these. And I'm going to add that into my cup and we'll be able to see what happens. So you can either break the tablet up and put little bits in at a time, or you can add the whole tablet. I'm going to put the whole tablet into mine and we'll see what happens. Take a minute, it'll start getting a little bit fizzy. You can see some bubbles rising. You can see all the bubbles bubbling around. You can see the food colouring. A little bit like a lava lamp. I wonder if you've ever seen a lava lamp before. And we'll keep going until all the fizziness from the tablet has stopped. Just watch it for a couple more seconds. See all the bubbles, it's pretty cool. And if you break your tablet up into little pieces, it'll do the same thing. You can just have more turns at it because you can add lots of different pieces of your tablet in. And what I might do at the end of my video is in the chat, I can add all the ingredients I've used today if you would like to do some of these at home. You can see lots of bubbles now. And it all happens up in the oil. So you have to make sure you have heaps of vegetable oil in there so you can get lots of bubbles. I think my tablet is just about finished now. There's not as many bubbles anymore. Slowly stopping. All right, and our third one that we're going to do today, now you might have to do this one at home because you might not see what happens straight away. All right, so I've got 3 cups of water. I'll just tilt my screen a little bit. 3 cups of water. I'm going to put a different food colouring in each cup. So I might do some green in my first cup. Now this one's called walking water. So you might be able to make a prediction of what you think will happen. So green, I'm going to put blue in the middle and yellow in my last one. And I'm just going to grab some paper towel. I'm just going to roll up my paper towel and put one side in the first cup and one in the second cup. Oh, you might be able to see what's starting to happen. You can see some water is moving up the paper towel. I'm going to put a second piece of paper towel in my blue cup to my green cup. Now this one takes a while to happen sometimes, so you might not get to see what happens. You might have to try it at home. You can slowly see the water going up the paper towel. Now I'll just quickly put in the chat all the different things I have used today if you would like to do this at home. So we've got the first one, the second one, and the third one.